Now, the economy of the future will be different. This is a diagram by Herman Daly, my favorite economist. And first of all, he shows the economy as a subset of the ecosystem of the earth. That is an important concept. Herman Daly was the working at the World Bank as an economist, and wanted to publish a report that showed the economy as a square within the larger circle of the ecosystem, because his view was that the economy had to basically live within the limits of the ecosystem. I mean, this is a heretical document on one level because it suggests limits to the economy. On the other hand, what it talks about is energy and matter coming in, and energy and matter, if you will, coming out of the economy. And it puts recycle in there as a kind of key piece of the equation. And that becomes a huge piece of where we're headed. The linear economies on the left-hand side: extract, produce, consume, and throw away. And the new economy of the future, the circular economy, is the economy that you see on the right. And the transition from a linear economy to a circular economy will be the hallmark of the 21st century. This is the response to climate change, is to change our economic view of how we do things. To me, is almost a profound, I mean, something as simple as this diagram is profound. Something as simple as that diagram that Herman Daly drew is profound. We've got to live within the limits of the ecosystem. That means we've got to protect the atmosphere. We've got to take that carbon, which is the carbon cycle is shown over here on the right-hand side. The Earth has natural cycles. We take carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere with plants and with various types of prairie plants, marsh plants, trees. We take carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere, put oxygen back. That carbon dioxide gets either put into the system or perhaps goes back into the atmosphere, but it's a circular system. Same thing's true with precipitation. We have a circular system of evaporation and precipitation. Nature is full of circles and cycles. The closer we can link the human economy to the natural economy, the economy of nature, the better we're going to be. And part of that is getting our carbon cycle back into balance. We are out of balance on the carbon cycle. We're headed toward putting it back into some sort of much better balance.